dear students, welcome to eSchool Online. Today I will discuss about a proverb. The proverb is a rolling stone gathers no moss. So let us discuss. This is a very important proverb and this is a very useful topic. So let us discuss these essay topics. The main points are definition of a rolling stone. Men who constantly change their business do not succeed. Men who are always throwing off one job for another fail. Students must stick to one subject to become scholars. This is a proverb with profound meaning. Why a stone should want to gather moss? It is hard to say, but the proverb is an old one and everyone knows what it means. The rolling stone is the man who is always changing his occupations and pursuits and never settles down steadily to anything. Popular wisdom says that such a fickle and unreliable person makes but little out of life. There is no doubt a great deal of truth in this. In these days of business, competition and specialization, a man must choose a trade or profession and stick to it. If he is to achieve any success, steady application and hard work at one job are essential. A man who starts one kind of business and getting tired of it tries another and then gives that up for a third cannot hope to get on in any. Constantly surfing and changing, he cannot expect to produce any satisfactory results by his dissipated efforts. As the proverb says, he who hunts two hares loses both. The typical rolling stone is the man who never keeps to any situation in his trade or profession for long. When you get an application from him and find that he has had many posts but for only short periods, you say, this fellow is a rolling stone. He will never stick to this job even if I gave it to him. He is no good. Such men seem to have restless natures and are incapable of settling down anywhere. The same is true of studies. A student who wishes to become a scholar must specialize in one subject and he must devote all his time and energy to it if he is ever to become an authority on it. The student who takes off mathematics and then goes in for history and trying of that takes up philosophy and drops this again for economics will be jack of all trades and master of none. Still, there is something to be said for rolling stones. Adventurers, explorers, travelers and discoverers are generally men of restless energy who could never settle down to any steady occupations. Yet the world owes much to such rolling stones. For even though they gather no much for themselves, they certainly gather much for the world in the shape of new knowledge. But these are men of what? For ordinary people, the proverb is slow and steady wins the race. Thank you all. Please share this video as much as possible.